night is far from over. My mama said don't waste my time on stupid kids, just turn me other shoulder. She said, turn it up, because you're just not working hard enough, and your little bit is not enough. You gotta find yourself someday, son. I learned to scream, I learned to write. I found some peace in the scientific order. My daddy never crossed the line, just watched the fight from someone else's corner. He said, turn it up, because you're just not living life enough, and you're drinking from a paper cup. You gotta find yourself someday, boy. Turn it up, because you're just not working hard enough,